So, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice.
Try not to laugh. I've watched this 100 times. And I yo, I can't hold it, but watch it though. Yo, they did little man dirty. Watch it now. Watch it now. Watch what's going on. Oh god, the remix.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face,
You big disgrace.
kicking your can all over the
Swear.
place, singing, we
This one had me cracking. What's up, my peeps? Welcome to my channel. I just did 3 minutes workout without turning on the camera, so here we go again. While you're here, just give this video the thumbs up and share the video. Help me grow the channel. Let's get into it. Start with jumping jack. Apart, together. Apart, together. Alright, next one. High knee, yeah. Knees touching your hands, which is at waist height. Get them knees up here. Get it. Alright. Alright, we're taking this one to Japan or China. Ah. Hoo. Hiya. Hoo. Hiya. Alright, since we're stretching legs, we'll continue. Legs out, touch toe. Last one. Seconds and switch. And that, my peeps, is a 3-minute workout, which is actually a 6 minutes workout since I did 3 minutes plus without the camera rolling. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Give this video the thumbs up, leave a comment, please share this video, help me grow the channel, and subscribe if you haven't. Until tomorrow, stay safe.
Watch me act stupid. Down, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice.